Here we go.
Turn it over. Turn it over.
Turn over so his bum's there. There you go. Put his bum on there. Okay, leave it.
Here goes Doc. Come here.
Daddy's got the moat.
Look.
Daddy's got the moat.
Push the button. Watch. 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 See the yellow button? Watch.
Ooh, Clifford! Wow!
Watch the red one. See what? Watch the red button.
Watch
Watch.
the red.
Watch.
It goes back. Back red. Forward yellow. You gotta face him.
There you go. Wow!
Alright. He's like he's a toy overload today.
Wow! Look at this.
Look at Joshy! Mr. Bobblehead Truck. Woo!
Push the red one.
Here he comes!
Yahoo!
Yahoo! You gotta press the red one. Oh. Make him come back. Make him come back with red.
The red one. No, the red one.
No, I think he might be out of range.
No.
Wow. Okay, stand there, press red. Here we go. Keep pressing red. That'll be an okay toy to take outside too. Silly. What you doing, Spaz?
Red one.
Red.
Red one.
You're going to press red. Because you got stuck. There we go.